What's up YouTube, it's me again. We're in our video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this flying rocket, guys, with rubber band that flies about like 20 to 30 feet high, guys, it depending on your strength, guys. If you haven't subscribed to me, make sure you click on the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. And before I announced it, my birthday was actually like July 19th, so happy like first anniversary for my channel, guys. Alright, so you try to make it right now, guys. First, like, you need materials. You need rubber band, scissors, and a paper, guys. Start with the paper first. You need to fold it like this, guys. About let's see, sorry if it's shaky a bit, guys. About lengthwise like this. And next step is to fold like this, guys. Like, it's the same with my other paper airplanes, guys, but it's a rocket. Perfect. Perfect. You can really see this line right over here. So next step, guys, fold like this. You must repeat, guys. It's like my other paper airplanes. If you haven't checked my other paper airplane videos, go check it out in those links, guys. First and next step is to fold like this, guys. It's like a dart plane I'm making, guys. But we're folding it 3 times, guys. Goodness, we had to fold it like this, and next it's do the same, guys. And fold it one more time like this, guys. Fold it like on the line. It's like we're making a dart plane. It's like we're making a dart plane, guys. Like, it looks like a dart. And next time, fold it like this, guys. Again, guys. Last time. And boom. We're not gonna be unfolding like this. We're not gonna be like that, but like this, guys. And next step is to cut it somewhere between I think here, guys, and you just cut it like this.
What are you talking about?
And you just got something like this, guys. And you can buy these rubber bands online, guys. If you buy this online, you'll have a super sound like this, guys. Like that will really fly well, guys. So let's try to test these two right now. Okay, guys, for the rules, guys. Number 1, you must be like this with your rubber band, or you can make it like a slingshot that you can fly with this thing, guys. And first step is to attach it like this. I think something like this, on like this, and this should look like just to fold like this, and it should fly like this, guys. Wow. So that is it, guys. If you like this tutorial or any of my tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next origami video, guys. Peace.